Today we will be talking about the importance of Amazon SEO and how to make your products rank for the Amazon A10 algorithm. Amazon Search Engine Optimization is the process of optimizing your Amazon product listings to rank higher in Amazon searches for related keywords. In other words, appealing to the algorithm and its users will ultimately push your listings higher and increase overall revenue. For any online seller, the Amazon Marketplace is a fantastic platform to sell more and grow your business. The challenge being, it is also incredibly competitive. According to a 2019 study by Feedvisor, 45% of Amazon consumers do not advance to the second page of search results. So it is critical to rank your products well on the first page. And do you know? Optimizing your product listings can help your products rank higher in search results. Potential customers can easily find your listings. More people seeing your listings can lead to an increase in sales. Competition in Amazon's SERPs will continue to grow. So in terms of driving incremental sales for your business, it is really important to understand how the A10 algorithm works. Now let us try to understand the A10 algorithm better. Amazon A10 algorithm is an updated version of Amazon's previous algorithm A9. The ranking factors didn't change, but rather their rates changed. A9 gave priority to keyword consistency, text match, and advertising, but A10 seems to be providing a balanced ranking by putting customer experience at the forefront. The main purpose of rolling out the A10 algorithm is removing fake and fraud sellers from this global platform. A10 seems to be providing a balanced ranking by putting customer experience at the forefront, while A9 gave priority to keyword consistency, text match, and advertising. This algorithm is highly based on the intent of the buyer. A10 gives much more weight to relevancy, shifting the focus to giving users more accurate findings, and less given to sales driven from its internal ad system, sponsored products, also known as Amazon PPC. Earlier A9 algorithms pushed users to more profitable products rather than relevancy. Now let us take a look at the major ranking factors influencing Amazon A10 algorithm. Relevancy, performance, seller authority, impressions, internal sales, PPC sales, click-through rate, off-site sales, conversion rate, sales history, organic sales. Now let us take a deeper look at one of the critical ranking factor, relevancy. The Amazon A10 algorithm considers how relevant your product listing is to the search. Buyer searches are given more importance by Amazon A10 than it did with A9. While the A9 algorithm showed users more profitable products, A10 has shifted the priority to providing users with more relevant products, even if they were not profitable. Opportunities for areas of optimization in product listings are product title, keywords, product description, product features, product images. Let us take a look at some of the metrics that Amazon tends to lean on to determine another critical ranking factor, product performance. Sales history. Products with a history of steady sales appear higher in relevant search results on Amazon. Conversion rate. The percentage of visitors that clicked on your product detail page and then made a purchase from you is another ranking factor. Seller authority. Amazon gives great importance to merchants' activity in the marketplace, including performance metrics, sellers' feedback rating, inventory levels, and fulfillment methods. Product reviews. A product with a higher number of reviews has got a higher chance to rank than its competitors with fewer reviews. In addition, one of the indirect factors that influence Amazon ranking is the A+ content. Amazon A+ content is a unique tool inside Seller Central that allows brand owners to create beautifully designed Amazon product descriptions for their Amazon listings. Formerly it was known as enhanced brand content. The A+ content feature enables brands to change the product descriptions of branded ASINs. Adding A+ content to your product detail pages can help result in higher conversion rates, increased traffic, and increased sales when used effectively. A seller must be aware of all the benefits of Amazon A+ content to explore its full potential. Let us take a look at what to include. in a plus content to stand out among your competitors. Enhanced product description, more details on product features and uses to augment the bullet points and images in the main product detail page. Unique image and text layouts. Product comparison charts. Deleted feature lists. Appears in the product description section of the Amazon detail page. Brand content. Educate customers about the history of the brand, as well as its values and product lines. Image and text cards. Links to other products and the brand store. Appears in the From the Brand section of the Amazon detail page. We hope the information shared here is helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more such videos on Amazon SEO. Thank you.